Hey guys, it's Sophia and Simone, and this is her stepsister. She's with us today to do a challenge. The challenge is about a bottle, and we spin it, and then there's good, bad, good, bad, good, bad, good,
Here's a banana.
This.
To salad. And this is a good thing.
And this,
Lime.
and this.
Russian.
And this is like milk and juice, so it's really bad. And then a Kix.
And
we have spoons to this because we're not going to like do the whole bottle.
This and this.
So that's what we're going to do, and she has said that she wants to start. So
Okay.
start.
Let's spin the bottle.
Oh, ketchup! A spoon of ketchup, and you have to do the whole thing.
Ja, igen helt. Igen så meget.
Have to do a whole spoon.
Sådan.
She's gonna come from Denmark, so she speaks Danish and
One, two,
Russian. Oh my god, that must be so bad. I want to be the next one. I want to be the next one.
No, this is a
Yes, a Kix!
Men du skal ikke til en hel.
Jo.
Jeg synes, der er andre, der kommer på den.
Den bliver fjernet. Okay,
That was a good thing.
Nej, den peger på midten. Den peger.
Den mest herovre. Okay, lime.
It's a bad one, but it's not that bad.
Husk at vise tingene, hvad I får.
Oh, it got in her eyes!
Okay. I show how much I took.
I like that Kix. It was really good. Simone!
Yeah, I'm so good at this.
It's because you concentrate too much of the camera. Oh my god. The camera doesn't even sit. Get out.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
She's probably going. Listen, when I was little, I liked that. I liked lime and lemon.
Okay.
It's your turn.
Okay, we have this and this. So 2 good things and 2 bad things. No, we also have this one.
Come on. You got a banana!
Ja, banana.
Eat banana.
Banana.
Wow, now it's my turn. Oh my god, I can almost only get like a bad one. If I get that one, I'm going to
Is it what?
Do you like ketchup? Can I like ketchup? Oh. I can't!
Monkey. 1, 2,
Well,
3,
I'm going to do it now. Okay, start here. Fuck that. Can I spin again?
No.
It was not great. It was not great. I'm doing it.
Not little. I have to like do this first. Sofia, den greb til. Skal det ikke bare lidt? Bare lidt. Boom, ligesom så. Okay, go there up and show it.
Sophia, bare tag det helt op ned.
What is it?
It's to salat. Det er salat, jeg siger. Kom så. Sophia, go.
Oh. Okay, we're going. I almost threw up.
This.
Okay, 3. No, wait, the try.
No, you can't. Yes, you got this one. Tested by the whole one, and I'm happy to see her do it.
Kom så.
Fuck, I'm happy. Yeah, you can try some.
Woo! Yeah.
Oh. Well, now Maria, it's your turn, and we have to do like this.
Yes, so
You can only get a good one now. That's not fair.
come here.
It was this one. And then it's my turn, and I'm going to get
Are you
that
okay?
one. Yes, I'm going to get something good now.
This is Russia.
So much better than that.
I only got the bad ones. Lime and
I don't
Jeg vil
know.
gerne have lime. Hvor måske? Han er flytter. Hvor måske?
Det er det.
Oh my god. Og det lugter kastet op ud af næsen.
Hallo, prøv at
Oh my god. Okay guys, that is one. Yeah. Goodbye. Give a thumbs up and if you want to see more, then subscribe.
My stomach is going to blow up.
Yeah. Goodbye.